Hi everybody, it's Katie, your favorite travel advisor. Today we're aboard Celebrity Silhouette. This is Veranda room 8334. Yeah, so here's our room. Here's our Plushie Ace. He comes on cruises with us sometimes. We've got some great storage above the bed. We've got the wardrobe over here. There are no power points on either side of the bed, just FYI. Put our suitcases in there, stuff like that. So this is not a pull-out sofa, it's just a regular sofa. That table goes up and down. Got the big TV, you've got a vanity, got some nice drawer space. Here we've got a safe that doesn't work, we gotta report that. We have a fridge full of things. Don't drink the things because they will charge you a lot for them. Same with the water. That bag of chips, $5. Don't do it. Here's one of these things. Here are the power plugs. There's 2 US and a Euro adapter. And here's the bathroom. We've got a shower. Got some nice bath amenities. Ooh, careful there. Find these corner shower units to give you a lot of space if you're a fluffy cruiser. Got lotion, hand wash. Got some storage here. Let's see what's open here. Oh, that's a secret cubby for our stateroom guy. Got some storage there. Very nice. Very nice. Some towels. And here's our balcony. So there's 2 tables, 2 chairs, a little cocktail table. We're on deck 8, so this is the penultimate one. So there's our room, that room, and then on the corner of the ship is a suite. All the way on the back. So the ship is docked in Fort Lauderdale today.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.